In this video, I'll show you how you can bulk move your Google Chrome OS devices with GTB Manager to different non-organizational units. For that, we will go to Extensions, then click on GTB Manager, click on Launch. If you do not see GTB Manager here, please visit our website gtbmanager.com to learn more about installation options. Once the add-on loads, you will choose a feature, Manage Chrome OS Devices. Under this, you will choose Update Chrome OS Device Org Unit. And here, GTB Manager recognizes that we don't have the sheet inserted yet for this update. It is asking us to execute and insert that sheet. So let's do that. Now, once you do that, it is asking for two things: new org unit path and the device ID. Device ID, you can use our Export Chrome OS Device feature. If you want, you can also watch our video to see how you can export Chrome OS devices, which will give you the device ID in column A. So you will copy the device IDs of the devices that you want to move to different organizational unit and put them here. We only have one Chrome device here to test, so we have put one here, but in your case, even if we have thousands of devices, it will work the same way. Now we need to add the new organizational unit path. So let's go to our test org unit, and we have this device in GTB Manager. Let's move that to test users. So we will add the device path, that is /test users this way. This slash denotes the root organizational unit, and then we can write the name of the child org. And then click on Update OS Device Org Unit and click on Execute. And now GTB Manager says device successfully transferred. So now let's go back and do a quick refresh to see if that's the case. Now we see that it is in test organizational unit and not in GTB Manager. So this is how you can bulk move organizational unit for your Chrome devices with GTB Manager. You can do much more with GTB Manager, and we are constantly adding new features based on customers' requests and feedback. So please visit our website gtbmanager.com to learn more. Thank you for watching.